Alright, so I'm having a little trouble selecting this IK handle. So what I'm going to do, up here you'll notice you've got your selection filter. I can actually change that to helpers. And then if I drag through here, you'll notice it grabbed that IK handle because it won't touch the geometry, it won't touch the bones. It'll only grab the helpers. So that can be actually quite a help. Alright, I'm going to keep rotating this guy. Remember, I'm always rotating in... Oh! Okay. Bad thing just happened. I had two helpers, which was this guy down here plus this other one. So I want to make sure I only have the one on the hand selected before I start messing with this stuff. Maybe I'll just do some real quick bending of the fingers. I'm not bending all three, I'm just kind of bending the top one down. And you typically would be very sensitive to like how much the fingers were, let's say, penetrating the sphere. I don't want you to go crazy, but it can look as though it's going in just a hair. And it probably, you know, would look fairly normal. Okay. So what we have is basically our starting position. Oh, and I told you the knees are penetrating, which we need to figure out an answer for that. So let's do this. Let's get out of animation mode. And we're going to select this leg. Now here again, it has the multiple segments in it, which I got rid of here in the arm. So I'm actually going to get rid of that here too. So I'm going to hit 1 and just create these legs that have one segment in them. So it's just 1 tab, click, 1 tab. Alright, so on this lower leg section, I'm going to right click, pick Add Gizmo, pick the circle, pick OK, and then pull it down so it's small. So I'm going to go for, I guess, 8 here. And then let me do that on the other side. Right click, Add Gizmo, circle, 8. Okay, so I just added 2 gizmo rings to the knees. Okay, so I'm going to go back into animation mode, click here, turn that green, he goes back down, but now he has some gizmos on his knees. So let's select one of those, and let's see if I can just move it. Yeah. So what I'm doing now is I'm trying to get his knee to look as though it's not penetrating the ball. Okay. So I'm trying to get to an angle where you can kind of see what's going on. Okay. Now when he stands up, you can see that his knees go back. Oh, I did the same thing that another student did. I animated the size of the rings here while I was in AutoKeys. So the rings themselves are growing and then they shrink. So let's fix that. I'll fix that in the next video.